Hey, what's up guys? Thanks again for tuning into my channel. In this box, it's probably going to change the game for me. This is the new DJI Mavic Pro 2. It's not the Platinum, it's not the Pro, the regular Pro, it's the 2. It's completely brand new. They updated the camera on it. The connection between the remote and the drone is like 10 times better. So, you know, some of the reviews that I was looking at, I mean, it would have been great if I had this drone when I was in Vegas because I lost signal around some of the taller buildings. But other than that, I mean, I thought the video came out pretty good. This camera is going to have a 1-inch sensor, so low light footage is going to be excellent. It's going to be 10 times better than the footage that you guys saw in my Vegas video. So with that being said, this drone came out, I want to say on the 23rd of August. I found out on the 5th, I found out on a Friday, last Friday, that it came out because I just started seeing videos pop up on YouTube. Excuse me, and I was like, I have to get it. I mean, I was gonna get a Phantom 4 because of the camera's like really good, but it's just, for me, I travel all over the place, so I needed something like this to come with me, and the Phantom wasn't gonna do it. So I immediately jumped on this. I ordered this on Saturday. I sold my Mavic Pro Platinum Saturday morning, and it sold within 30 minutes. I had 3 offers, and you know, it was sold. So I sent that off on Monday, and this actually came today via FedEx. So without further ado, let's open it up. It came from Shenzhen, China, which is probably about 40 minutes from Hong Kong. So I was able to track it and everything, and they said it was going to come today at 10:30, and it came today at basically 10:22. So they were on point with the shipping. Excuse me. So here is, you know, the standard box, DJI boxes, and then I ordered an extra battery. So it comes with a battery, and I ordered an extra one. Let's see. I know I had trouble the last time I did one of these. This plastic. And the company that made the lens is Hasselblad. I don't know if I'm obviously probably not pronouncing that right, but it's all good. So let's see if I get this sucker out of here. There we go. Okay. So I'm going to change the angle of the camera. So here we have a tab right here, a little sticky, open, Mavic Pro 2, another sticky right there. So bear with me. Alright guys, so here you'll be able to charge your remote at the same time as you're charging, you know, one of your batteries. And the remote looks cool. I really like the color of the remote. Gray is one of my favorite colors, gray and blue. But this gray is really, really cool. But basically it's the same remote. Opens up, you know, and then you have your toggles right here. And they screw on. And they actually give you an extra set toggles, and then you have some connecting wires, which is pretty cool. That's dope. Love that. Dope. And then, let's see. This is the extension cord. Extension cord. I'll take out the drone. So, here's the drone. So, I mean, you guys can look all this stuff up. I'm actually going to try to set everything up today and do a little test flight and you know, see how it does. But you know, you have sensors all over the place. You have front sensors, you have back sensors, you have bottom sensors. So these sensors prevent you from crashing for the most part. They said there's a blind spot towards the side because there are side sensors, but see the side sensors here? You got one on that side, one on that side. We got the side sensors, and then there's the camera. Let me take the gimbal off. Oh, that came off pretty easy. So it actually has a little shield right here too, an extra shield. So that's different. I think they could have made this a little better, you know, a little flimsy. But there's that 1-inch sensor camera. The quality I heard is really good from the videos that I've watched. Really good. So let me turn it on. Take this off. Yeah, no juice. So I'm gonna charge it up, guys, and well, let me see. Let me see if the other battery has any juice. I doubt it, but doesn't hurt to check. Packaging is awesome. I love the packaging. And it's so well protected. Look at that. That's all like sponge. It's dope. Let's peel this off. It's all dead. So with that being said, I am going to charge these batteries up and I will be right back. Thanks, guys. All right, guys, so the first battery is charged. So the remote is charged. And I have my wire here. So normally I put my iPad mini in this holder here. And then open this up. We don't need the toggles. And then I put, let's see. So let me turn the app on. We'll log into the app. Familiar sound. Turn the controller on. Let's see. Let's see if it connects. So they basically have a quiz, just basic questions. Alright, I passed the knowledge test. So I have to activate aircraft and restart. Where is my memory card? Got a little memory card. There it is. Memory card is in. Oh, well, maybe I need to. Alright guys, so yeah, sorry about the delay, but I had to download the new hardware, well, I should say firmware, to the actual drone and the remote and the app. So that took about 30 minutes to do that. So without further ado, the drone is ready to launch, and let me get out the way. Probably about 90 feet. You barely, you hear a little slight buzz. But it is pretty loud. Thought it would be less loud.